when the smoke clears. I will be riding when the smoke clears. You and I against the world, that's what you told me.
Good morning, SK. My name is Junior Princess Ellie.
And my name is Senior Princess Maria. If you're wondering why we're dressed like this, it's because we're here to represent the Fathoms-O-Fun Festival. If you don't know what that is, here's a video with more information about what we do.
Have you ever been to the parade downtown? Or maybe you've seen the fireworks show for the 4th of July? That is what Fathoms does. Fathoms-O-Fun puts on a number of events throughout the year and during the summer for the people of Port Orchard to attend. We decided to ask a couple contestants what impact Fathom has made on them.
It's impacted me in so many amazing ways. I can actually talk in front of big groups of people without being shaky or even second thinking. I definitely gained a lot of confidence. If you do win, you get scholarship money for college, any college of your choice.
Being involved in Fathoms has impacted me in so many different ways. It's really just brought me out of my shell and made me more of an outgoing person. Something that I've gained from this experience with the Fathoms is just a lot of new friendships and also just being aware of all the work and the people that are behind the events that Port Orchard hosts.
One of the things that I find to be the most rewarding is the growth of the children. Watching them being from shy to very timid to being confident and well-spoken and someone who can feel like they can achieve anything, that to me is the most rewarding.
Last Saturday, 11 contestants, including 6 seniors and 5 juniors, competed in the scholarship program. 7 titles were awarded, including 3 junior princesses, a duchess, 2 senior princesses, and a queen.
Congratulations to Queen Tamara, Senior Princess Paige, Junior Princess Danielle, and Duchess Veronica. These 7 ladies, including ourselves, will travel across Western Washington to represent Port Orchard for a whole year. Congratulations to everyone who competed and came to the pageant. Being a contestant is a lot of work.
But enough about royalty stuff. Maria, can you kick us off with the general news?
Of course! The South Kids Up speech and debate team heads to state this Saturday. Wish Emma Johnson, Lily Spencer, Jessie Reedy, and Stephanie Smith good luck. Way to represent SK. Hey senior guys, the Mr. SK pageant is coming up. If you want to win a crown just like one of us or are interested in running, there will be more information coming soon. A few artists who made it to the state level of competition, congratulations. Your efforts were not unnoticed.
Attention all IB students. Tutors are available in the library starting Thursday at 2:10. Sessions will run every Monday and Thursday until further notice. Seniors, the Grad Night Parent Coordinator, Tammy Foster, will be here every Friday during lunch to accept your sign-ups and payments. Although TOLO was a while ago, the junior class put a lot of preparation and hard work into setting it up.
You may not realize it, but the junior class put a lot of hard work into putting on TOLO.
There are many things behind the scenes that go into building a dance. That includes hiring a DJ, the themes, the decorations.
It's a lot of meeting with administration and staff and other students to make sure that everyone is satisfied with the end result.
Although it looks effortless, the junior class did face some obstacles when planning this dance.
One obstacle we have faced is the feedback from ticket pricing. And the only reason we did that was to incentivize students to buy their tickets earlier.
But at the end of the day, the junior class is proud of what they've done.
Was the dance successful? Yes.
So next time you attend a dance, keep in mind all the hardworking students who made this happen. And remember, SK,
TOLO is GOAT, homecoming is subpar.
Way to go, class of 2019. If you see the officers in the hallway, please make sure to thank them for all their hard work.
All students, if you're looking for some entertainment, you should go see the musical Snoopy. The show is for all ages, and the tickets are $7 for children and $9 for adults. The last performance is on Sunday. Be sure to go out and see it before the show is gone. Speaking of entertainment, the CFF is coming up. Let's take a look to see what the CFF is all about.
Every year in February, students work tirelessly. They shoot by day and edit by night, constantly persevering to reach their goal of creating a brilliant work of art in the form of a 12-minute movie.
I'm Mr. Quaritch. I'm the principal here at South Kids Up High School, home of the Wolves.
It's hard to shake the feeling. These phonies make my blood run cold. That talk ain't got no meaning.
Come to the theater March 16th to see our student-produced films, with the entry fee at a low price of only 2 cans of food and an appetite for entertainment.
Be sure to come out and support your fellow Wolves and the Helpline. In scholarship news, the $1,000 Elton Goodwin Memorial Scholarship is now available for any baseball player that understands who Elton Goodwin was and his impact. The Maynard Lundberg Scholarship is also open and is for any senior who has the traits of the past SK coach Maynard Lundberg. It offers $1,000 every year for 4 years. And the Port Orchard Yacht Club is offering 3 $1,500 scholarships. Do not miss out on an opportunity to get money for college, SK. If you are interested in any of these scholarships or scholarships in general, you should go to the Career Center for more info.
In club news, the clubs meeting today are D&D, IB Action, Interact, K-Pop, GSA, and YBTJ.
And the clubs meeting tomorrow are Ballroom and Swing, Key Club, Model UN, ASB, Speech and Debate, French and Spanish and Graphics Club will all meet.
Well, that looks like all we have for you today.
Be sure to stay tuned in for the quote of the week. Have a royal Tuesday, SK.